name is Ryan Cunha, and I'm running for the 2023 Viroqua Food Co-op Board of Directors. When I moved here with my family 9 years ago, the co-op was one of the main reasons we decided to settle and raise our family here. I really believe that the co-op is the heartbeat of the community, and I'm really passionate about the co-op structure and the mission of the co-op to keep as much money in the local economy as possible, support local farmers, and give people access to healthy, sustainably grown food. Some of the skills that I think I can bring to this role is I've been working in the grocery business for about 30 years. Started off at 15 working at a grocery store through high school and college, and then spent the last 20 years working with and for a variety of food companies. The last 10 years I've worked at Organic Valley for 6 of those years in marketing, and then in the last 4 years I've worked at Frontier Co-op doing data insights and analytics for our sales and marketing team. So I really feel with all my experience understanding the operational side, working at a grocery store, and then working for a variety of food companies in the natural organic space, that I have a lot of experience that I can bring to the table. A lot of experience with strategic planning, forecasting, budgeting, marketing, that I think can be a valuable asset to the board and the food co-op community. So I would love to have your vote, and really am excited about the opportunity to serve the co-op in the community. Thank you.